very happy to add another diorama to my Greenlight collection, and that's the Michelin Man Weekend Workshop, which I got recently. The special thing about these 3 Greenlight diorama is they are all green machine chased. You will find metallic green paint on certain parts of the diorama. I will feature the 3 chase dioramas separately. This Michelin Man Weekend Workshop has the complete same mold as the STP Workshop. And you have a few features such as functional diecast garage doors, diecast cabinet, and removable wall to expose the interior for photography. It's quite a huge box, and when you go pack hunting and see a couple of Michelin Man Weekend Workshop, you'll find that this particular workshop is a little bit different from the others because it has green metallic paint on its garage door, and that is a jackpot. You just score a green machine chase version. And today let's unbox the recent Michelin Man Weekend Workshop. It just comes only with 2 separate components, the removable wall and the Weekend Workshop. The reason that made me purchase this Weekend Workshop is because I love the contrast between the Michelin Man and the green metallic paint background, which make it very ideal for my photography shoot. The garage doors are die-cast and is fully functional, and it will also pass very well with my Tomica TCN exclusive Michelin Man Isuzu truck. And what I like about this particular diorama is it has a generous amount of metallic green paint all over. The metallic green cabinets will look awesome as a background for photography, and you can explore many angles for composition in your photo shoot. This Michelin Man Weekend Workshop will pair very well with the rest of my loose green machines. Not forgetting my favorite Breaking Bad RV chase, which unfortunately I lost its side mirror, but is still my very favorite green machine. Thankfully, I just purchased another fully intact one and closed in the blister. It's very modular and you can freely configure this Weekend Workshop with any die-cast cars, such as the Tarmac Works BMW M3 and also the latest Tomica release with similar theme to be featured in my next video. Thanks everyone, bye!